I will create, for example, variable first name, and I will store the string David. After that, I will create, for example, variable age. I stored it some number, and for example, has elementary school, and I will store that boolean value like true, for example. And now I would like to know which data type is in the variable. Okay, maybe the question is why I need to know, because I see that in the first name there is the string, right? So, but this is only example. You can imagine that these data, they are hard coded, so I write it here. But usually, for example, you can have your data from the database, from the user, or I mean the visitor of your website, from the form, and so on and so on. We have different types of data sources. Okay, so here sometimes you receive some information from the source, like database, from the user, and you need to know which data type it is. Okay, so if I will print first name, okay, like this, and I will run it, of course I will it will print David, right? But I don't want to print first name, I want to print type of first name. Okay, something like this. So print the type of first name, not the David, but the type. So I will run it, and I can see it's string. Don't care about the name class now, we will talk about it later, but now for us it's very important that it's the type is string. And I will print the type age as well, and has elementary school as well. Okay, great. I will clear it, and I will run it, and you can see the first name is string, type of age is integer, and type of elementary school is bool. It means boolean. Okay, you can put it here, for example, height, and I will put here something like this in meters, and I will print the type of height, and you can see that we have the float as well. String, integer, float, boolean. Okay, string, integer, float, float, boolean. So maybe you are not convinced that the type function is important, but trust me, it's very, very important, and you will see that later in the next videos.